I am going to cut the whole room into the sea. Ha 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 ha. First, I will be quiet. Now I got to saw. I doing it.
Wait a minute. What is this?
Oh my god, I had a nightmare dream. What's wrong? Someone cut this room with a saw. And then I was in a sea. So who did this? It was Yellow Oscar. He did this? Yellow Oscar is in deep trouble. What is going on? How dare you cut this room with a saw in my dream? You should know that in my dreams could happen because of you, Grouch. Why would I do that? Tell me the truth. Now. Or think about it. I am gonna cut down my parents' bedroom into a sea. Ha 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 ha. Come with me right now. I have this belt. Classic Oscar Grouch. What the clutch is wrong with you? How dare you do that in his dreams? You don't ever, and I mean never, do that, Grouchy. That's it. You are grounded for 23 weeks, and you will not have a dream again. You will go apologize to our dad, and then you are getting a timeout. Yes, Greenie, I understand. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Sorry.
Now Grouchy, where did you do that from?
It was from YouTube. I thought it was just the videos.
They're not cool. This is harness. And you should never do that. Please don't do this ever again, okay?
Okay, yeah, I got it. I won't do it again.
That's what I like to hear about it. Sit in your room and think about what you have done. You are still grounded for 32 weeks.